Hey guys, it's not hacked, I don't know. My name got changed and I can't change it back. It says 3 name changes in 90 days and I don't know if it's been 90 days or not. But this episode is going to be about slime. About a week or 2 weeks ago, I went to my cousin's house and we made slime. Here. One sec. Alright. Here's the slime. Slime. That's what the video will be about today. I just need something. At least I'm using your backpack or something.
What?
Like I saw a lamp.
Please don't put. Oh, okay.
I'm
not. Okay. So you're putting the slime on it.
What? No. I wouldn't do that.
Oh, and first off, can I put my broken folder back in here?
Sure. Hi. God. Yeah, you deserve that. Entertain them.
Spit your gum out.
Entertain them.
Yeah,
Bad entertainment. I can't do that. I don't know how to edit. But here it is. Let me just get it.
I don't know where mine is.
Whoa. Watch it
Can I
wiggle. Watch it jiggle.
Can I karate chop it? I want to karate chop it and see what happens.
Sure. My sister's going to karate chop it. So, yeah, this is fine. She has a YouTube channel, but she'd know what happened to it.
It's on my laptop, but it's not anywhere else.
Okay.
I'm going to go search for it, actually.
Okay. Ah. What's that? But, yeah, it's gross. At my cousin's house, we made it. I think this is
covered mine with
I think
gems.
that... Be quiet.
No.
This is the ingredients, I think. Actually, Ellie, search up ingredients to make slime. Actually, no, I think I might remember. Oh my god. But I think it's you get a carton of glue, you dump it in a box or something, not a box, like a plastic bowl, and you dump it in, you get some water, and you put borax in it, and you gotta mix it up really well. And then in the glue, you put food coloring, food dye, whatever color you want.
I don't even know who it is.
You can make it whatever color you got. At first I made mine poop color, then I made it
Okay, mine is still up.
blue, then I made it yellow, then I made it this color. And the way you make it, so you get the glue, you color whatever you color you want. And then you mix borax with water, and
Who even subscribed to me? I don't even know.
I don't know.
Who has.
And then
subscribe to me. I have 1 subscriber.
what's your channel name called?
Lupin Wolf IK13.
And then you mix them up, the glue, the food dye, and the borax water, and mix it up very well, and it makes this. So,
To make sure it shows up, spell Lupine space Wolf IK13, because then it'll show up something different. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
1 subscriber. Who even subscribed to me?
Okay, so I'm gonna make it go all the way down my arm, but this might take a while. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. What's wrong with you, cat?
They're fighting, both of them.
It's really easy to break. It's not really like, whatever. It's not really like, my other type of goo. It's not really goo. It's space gel. I think it is. It's magnetic gel, but yeah. I'll do that in a different video.
I need to get my screen fixed.
Watch it jiggle. But, I think that might be it for today. I have really nothing else to talk about because it doesn't really move around that well anymore. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I am subscribed to you.
You are? Well, wait, you are?
Yeah.
Oh,
But you're not to me.
sorry, I've never had the
Oh
time.
my god.
What?
Your hair in this video.
Which hair? I mean, which video? No, I can't. I'm making a video. Whoa. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how. What was
That
that?
was you. It was your first birthday. It was your
Oh my
birthday
God.
vlog.
I want to delete that one. It's terrible.
No.
I'm going to delete that video.
The old pillows. Oh my god.
The old pillows? What are the
Remember-
old pillows?
Remember our old pillows, like that one?
Oh, God, yeah.
What are
But,
you talking about? The hair? Oh, hey, it's Ryan.
wait, it's rock. Oh, yeah, that's after my birthday when Ryan and Thomas were only there. But, yeah, it's gross, but it's also cool. And don't eat it. It has glue in it and borax. You can die.
Yeah, do not eat it. Okay, I'm gonna make a tiny. Move over. Do not eat it. It will kill you.
Yeah. I think that might be it. Do that again. No. No. Oh, God.
It's eating your hand.
It's a space goo that eats other goos.
Looks like a giant
It's
booger.
emerged.
It looks like a giant booger.
You look like a giant bird.
I know. No, I don't.
Alright. Bye.